As a prosecutor, a typical day is often filled with a mix of preparation, investigation, and courtroom work. Here's an overview of what a typical day in the life of a prosecutor might look like. Morning routine, 8 a.m., 9 a.m. Review case files. A prosecutor begins their day by reviewing case files, including police reports, witness statements, and other evidence. Meet with investigators. They meet with investigators to discuss ongoing cases, review new evidence, and plan investigative strategies. Review court schedules. They review the day's court schedule, including upcoming trials, hearings, and other court appearances. Pre-trial preparation, 9 a.m., 12 p.m. Research and prepare for trials. Prosecutors research and prepare for upcoming trials, including reviewing evidence, preparing witnesses, and developing trial strategies. Meet with defense attorneys. They meet with defense attorneys to discuss plea agreements, resolve disputes, and negotiate trial dates. Review and analyze evidence. They review and analyze evidence, including forensic reports, witness statements, and other materials. Court appearances, 12 p.m., 4 p.m. Trial appearances. Prosecutors appear in court for trials, presenting evidence and arguments to the judge and jury. Hearings and motions. They appear in court for hearings and motions, arguing on behalf of the prosecution and responding to defense arguments. Sentencing and plea hearings. They appear in court for sentencing and plea hearings, advocating for the interests of the prosecution and the victim. Afternoon routine, 4 p.m., 6 p.m. Meet with victims and witnesses. Prosecutors meet with victims and witnesses to discuss their cases, provide updates, and answer questions. Review and analyze new evidence. They review and analyze new evidence, including forensic reports, witness statements, and other materials. Prepare for upcoming cases. They prepare for upcoming cases, including researching and preparing for trials, hearings, and other court appearances. Evening routine, 6 p.m., 8 p.m. Review and update case files. Prosecutors review and update case files, including police reports, witness statements, and other evidence. Meet with colleagues. They meet with colleagues to discuss ongoing cases, share information, and coordinate efforts. Prepare for the next day. They prepare for the next day, including reviewing court schedules, preparing for trials and hearings, and reviewing new evidence. Additional responsibilities. Community outreach. Prosecutors may participate in community outreach and education programs, including speaking at schools, community centres, and other venues. Training and professional development. They may participate in training and professional development programs, including seminars, workshops, and conferences. Administrative tasks. They may be responsible for administrative tasks, including managing staff, coordinating with other agencies, and handling paperwork. Challenges and rewards. High-stress environment. Prosecutors work in a high-stress environment, dealing with complex and often traumatic cases. Emotional demands. They must manage the emotional demands of their job, including dealing with victims, witnesses, and defendants. Sense of satisfaction. Despite the challenges, prosecutors often experience a sense of satisfaction and fulfillment from their work, knowing that they are helping to keep communities safe and justice is served. Conclusion. A typical day in the life of a prosecutor is often filled with a mix of preparation, investigation, and courtroom work. While the job can be challenging and emotionally demanding, it also offers a sense of satisfaction and fulfillment from helping to keep communities safe and justice is served.